How to fix Wi-Fi activation failed. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as Wi-Fi requires internet connection to work. See if that helps, and if not, then open Fiverr and then go ahead and make sure that you entered the correct number and the correct country code, as if the number or the country code is incorrect, then you might face these kind of problems. Additionally, simply swipe up on the home screen and then go ahead and force quit Fiverr along with all the apps running in the background and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then you can also simply try to restart your iPhone and then restart it and see if that helps, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And just in case, if your issue is not fixed yet, then open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Viver and make sure that the Viver application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then go ahead and open settings again and scroll down and tap on the apps option at the bottom. Further, scroll down again and navigate to Viver and tap on it, and further make sure that access to SMS, phone, microphone, camera are enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable these toggle buttons and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. And if not, then you can simply wait for the verification SMS to come, or if it is not coming, then you can simply choose the call me option if the code does not arrive at all. Additionally, make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN services, as VPN sometimes might block the code receiving. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on date and time. Make sure the toggle button for set automatically is toggled on, as this might help you in fixing your issue. Now in settings again, tap on general again and then on iPhone storage. Further, go ahead and make sure that your iPhone has enough storage space in order for apps to work smoothly, along with tap on Viber in this particular interface itself and then offload the app and reinstall the app again and see if that helps. If not, then it simply could be the server issue, so make sure that the server for Viber is working, and if not, then you can also make sure your mobile carrier can receive SMS and voice calls. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Viber activation failed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.